Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to know if PayPal is verified. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically to make sure if your PayPal account is verified or not, all you need to do is to make sure if you have any bank accounts or credit card that are linked to your account. And to do so, either you can go to your PayPal balance and from there it will take you to your wallet. Otherwise, you can simply go to your wallet and from there you can check if you have any bank accounts or credit card that are linked to your account. And let's go again to our wallet. And in my case, there is no bank account or credit card that link. That means that my account is not verified. And I won't be able to do any operation until I verify my account. So simply, all we need to do is just to click on link card so we can start the process of linking the card. And from here, you will start adding your debit or credit card number and all the other information such as your credit card number, the address, and the country, etc. And basically, you will have your credit card or your bank account that will be added to your account or to your PayPal account. And from there, you will be able to start verifying your account. That means if you don't find any account that are added to your PayPal, uh, that means I mean if there is no credit card that is added to your PayPal account, that means that your account or your PayPal account is not verified and you will be needing to add your card or bank. And basically, you can also do it from by clicking on this icon here in the web version of PayPal. Otherwise, for the mobile version, you will find some in the menu like a wallet icon or bank icon, and you will click on it and you will be able to add it. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.